A new moment is arriving in the world of small displacement motorcycles. Not about chasing raw speed, not about brute power, but about rediscovering the pure joy of motion confidence and connection. Riders are remembering what made them fall in love with riding in the first place. This is Acer Rider, and this is the 2026 Yamaha DT50. The 2026 Yamaha DT50 stands as a reminder of what riding used to feel like. Before complexity, before pressure, before intimidation. It brings back the essential joy of riding a simple motorcycle you can trust every time you turn the key. This bike is built for riders who want freedom without overwhelm, control without confusion, and fun without complication. From the very first look, the DT50 feels light and purposeful. Compact proportions, slim bodywork, an upright stance that feels friendly rather than intimidating. Nothing feels aggressive. Nothing feels excessive. It looks like a motorcycle meant to be ridden, not just looked at. Most bikes make you adapt to them. The DT50 makes you feel comfortable immediately. It doesn't ask for skill up front. It gives you confidence first. Swing a leg over the DT50 and the difference is instantaneous. The seat height feels approachable. Your feet touch the ground easily. The bike feels light and balanced beneath you. The handlebars fall naturally into your hands. Your posture feels centered and relaxed. This riding position matters. It keeps your body calm. It keeps tension out of your shoulders. It allows precise control at low speeds. It lets you focus on feeling the ride instead of fighting the bike. Start the engine and the DT50 comes alive with a gentle, friendly character. The sound feels alive without being loud. Throttle response is smooth and predictable. Power builds calmly without surprise. You can feel every rotation of the bike, not because it jolts you, but because it connects you. This engine is tuned to teach, to reward smooth inputs, to help riders understand throttle control, to transform hesitation into confidence. Here, riding becomes about feel, not fear. In city riding, the DT50 feels effortless. Traffic seems less intimidating. Stops and starts feel smooth and natural. Narrow streets feel easy to navigate. The bike flows through everyday situations as if it gets you. You are not wrestling a machine. You are guiding it. The lightweight nature of the DT50 makes riding feel intuitive. Parking is simple. U-turns feel easy. Even slow-speed maneuvers feel calm and composed. You guide the bike rather than fight it. As roads open up, the DT50 remains composed. Cruising feels relaxed. The engine settles into a steady rhythm. You are not chasing speed. You are enjoying motion. On winding back roads, the DT50 surprises many riders. Lean into a corner and the bike responds willingly. Line corrections feel smooth. Confidence increases with every curve. This is where the DT50 teaches rhythm. Not speed, not rush, but flow. The bike encourages good habits. Balanced throttle, smooth braking, clean cornering. These are skills that stay with riders for life. When pavement ends, the DT50 shows its dual-purpose spirit. Gravel paths, grass trails, uneven surfaces. The suspension absorbs small bumps calmly. The chassis remains composed. You stay confident. Standing on the pegs feels natural. Weight shifts feel intuitive. The bike responds immediately. Off-road exploration feels approachable and fun. This is not a machine that begs for perfect terrain. It adapts, it supports. It invites you to discover. Comfort plays an unexpectedly big role. The seat supports without stiff pressure. The upright posture reduces fatigue. Your arms stay relaxed. Your back remains comfortable. Rides become more pleasant than tiring. Longer trips feel possible. Not exhausting, not demanding. Just fun. Fuel efficiency adds even more freedom. The DT50 sips fuel rather than guzzles it. You ride farther, Stops become fewer. Spontaneous detours become easier. You ride because you want to, not because you planned. Maintenance is simple and reassuring. Yamaha designed the DT50 with durability and ease of care in mind. Straightforward engineering. Proven components. A bike built to keep going. This reliability builds trust. Trust to ride every day. Trust to pick it up after months. Trust that it will start and run when you need it. Technology on the DT50 stays minimal and purposeful. The display is clear and readable. Information is easy to understand. Nothing distracts you from the ride. Braking performance feels smooth and confidence-inspiring. Stopping feels controlled. Predictable. Balanced. Even on mixed surfaces. Over time, the DT50 teaches lessons that matter. Patience. Smoothness. Awareness. Respect for momentum. These lessons shape riders. They refine instinct. They influence how you approach every future motorcycle. The DT50 is not a bike to outgrow. It is a foundation, a machine that grows with you. From your first ride to confident cruising. New riders build confidence. Returning riders rediscover joy. Experienced riders appreciate simplicity and connection. The bike never feels excessive. It never feels outdated. It always feels honest. Many riders remember bikes like this forever because this is where riding stops being intimidating and starts being joyful. The DT50 is not about winning races. It is about building confidence. It creates riders who understand control, who respect machines, who ride thoughtfully. This philosophy matters more than ever. As motorcycles become faster, as technology becomes heavier, strong foundations become essential. The DT50 delivers that foundation quietly, without hype, without pressure, without intimidation. Over time, something powerful happens. The bike fades into the background. The rider becomes the focus. Skill replaces fear. Confidence replaces hesitation. You stop thinking about the motorcycle and start thinking about balance, flow, movement. And that is the true strength of the 2026 Yamaha DT50. So who is this motorcycle really for? It is for beginners taking their first real ride. It is for commuters who want simple joy. It is for explorers who enjoy light adventure. It is for anyone who values connection over excess. Because the best motorcycles are not the biggest. They are the ones that make you smile every time you ride. The DT50 invites you back. Again. And again. It does not shout. It communicates. It does not intimidate. It cooperates. Every ride feels personal. Every mile feels meaningful. The 2026 Yamaha DT50 is not about limits. It is about freedom. It is about learning. It is about enjoying every moment on two wheels. This is Acer Rider. Ride light, ride patient, ride with intention, and never underestimate a motorcycle that teaches you how riding truly begins.